I welcome all of you guys in the lesson number 35 for grade 1 mathematics. We are learning about the rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. You know about how to round off to the nearest 10. To round off any number to the nearest 10, what you have to do, I will just revise one time and then I will tell you how to round off to the nearest 100. Yes, guys, I tell you one thing, whenever you need to round off, you just have to check you are rounding up to which number. If it is tens, so you will check what place will comes before tens. This is very important for you. So because you are rounding off to the nearest tens, so you have before tens, which place is there? Ones. So you will have to check the ones. If the number is on the ones place is 5 or greater than 5 or greater than 5, I am just writing G, greater than 5, then what you will do? You will add 1 in the number which is on the tens place. If it is less than 5, like this is less than 5, 4 is less than 5. So what you will do? You will write the same number on the tens place which was before. And one thing, whenever you round off to the nearest 10, the ones should be 0. Ones should be 0. So it will be 20. How to round off to the nearest 10? Just check the ones number. If it is less than 5, then write the same number and add 0 on the ones. If it is more than 5, add 1 in the tens number and write 0 on ones place. So 24 is 20. Here same 36, 40, 97, 100, 12, 10, right? 37, 40, 50, this is 20, this is 80, this is also 80, this is 60, right? 90, 120, 70, 240, this is same, so you will keep it same. And this is 40, this is 100, because you are rounding up to nearest 10. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. We started rounding to the nearest 100 because we have finished rounding to the nearest 10. This is just I was revising you. We started rounding to the nearest 100. Now guys, for nearest 100, again you will follow same technique. What I tell you that whenever you are rounding to any number, make sure that you are rounding up to which number. Now you are rounding to the nearest 100. Let's suppose I write one number. Now you are rounding to the nearest 100. So you will check the place what comes before 100. This is 100 place. This is tens place. And this is ones place. Right? So the place which is important for you, just before 100 what comes? That is tens. So that's mean this number is very important for you. If this number, this 1 is greater than 5, or if this number is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 here. Otherwise, you will not add 1 here. Like 1 is less than 5. So you will not add 1 in the hundreds number. You will write 3. And whenever you round off to the nearest 100, the last two digit always be 0. The digit on the ones and the tens will be always 0 whenever you round off to the nearest 100. The answer should be in hundreds, 200s, 500s, 400, 600, 800. Clear, guys? Very good. I give you the example of the one here. Question number 2. Round each length to the nearest 100 centimeter. The first one is 78 centimeter. The first one is 78 centimeter. So look guys, 78 centimeter and you have to round off to the nearest 100. This is 78. So when you are rounding off to the nearest 100, you check the tens place. You check the tens place. Okay. The tens place, if it is 5 or greater than 5, then you will add 1 on the hundredth place. On the hundredth place, there is no number. That means 0. 0 plus 1 is equals to 1. Why 1? Because 7 is greater than 5. And the last two digits should be 0. So the answer is 100. Clear, guys?
wait. 78, if it gives
Sir, I
1,
understand what you
0,
said.
then
Yes,
0,
sir.
it will be 68. It will be 68. And 68 is greater than 50.
Yes, Emma Jibrail, now say what you're saying.
Yes, I was saying if the 7 give 1 to the 100, that 0 becomes 1. It will be 68. So 68 is greater than 50. It's 200.
You are saying
We'll add
78
1.
we should round off to the nearest. The answer of 78 will be?
It was, you said that the 7 will give 1 to the 100, that is 0. It will be 168. 68 is greater than 50, so we'll add 1 to the hundreds. It's 200.
Yeah, you can say that also, but what I was saying, you can use that method, that technique also, okay? Like, this is 78, okay? There is no 100. If I ask you what is the 100 value here, you will say 0, right?
Yeah.
I am telling you to check only the number which is on the tens place. This is 7, greater than 5?
Yes, greater.
So add 1 in 0. 0 plus 1 equals to
0 plus 1, 1.
1. Exactly. 0 plus 1 equals to what? There is nothing. If you add 1 in nothing, what you will get? 1, right?
And 7 will give 1 to the 100, so it will be 6. It's 6.
Oh
So
no,
68.
Emma Jibrail. This is no 7 is not giving 1. 7 is not giving 1. This is not subtraction and addition. This is not carry. You are adding 1 because this is 5 greater than 5. This 7 is greater than 5. Okay.
Yes, okay. Oh, okay.
Look here. Look. This is 39. When you round off to nearest tens, what you do? This number is greater than 5. So you add 1 in 3. 3 plus 1 equals to 4.
Okay,
Right?
but now, yes, but
And you
now,
add 0.
but now we look at the tens. It's greater than 5, so
Yes.
okay, understand.
Now you're looking at the tens and you will add on the hundreds. Here you're looking at the ones and you are adding 1 in the tens. But because you are rounding to the nearest 100, so you will add 1 in hundreds number. But you will check the tens place exactly just before hundreds. Okay?
It's okay, understand. Okay.
All right. Yes, guys, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
That's very
Yes.
good. That's very good. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to share another screen with you where we will do some work. Take out your notebooks. On the top of the page, there is a heading, rounding to the nearest 10 and 100. Today is 4 March and it is Thursday. I'm going to start writing question number 2. Question number 2. Take out your notebooks, guys. Start writing. Round each length to the nearest 100 centimeter. Round each length to the nearest 100 centimeter. A. 78, 145, 234. B. 135. C. 234. $319. Okay, guys, come here. We have completed this one. I told you because 78, 7 is greater than 5. So I will add 1 here in the hundreds place. That is 1 and the last 2 digits should be 0. It's 100. And if you want to use another technique, you can also use that. If that is greater than 50, then add 1 in the hundreds place. This is also same. In any way you will do, the answer will be same. Okay. If you want to check, So you can check in that way also. If that number is greater than 50, add 1. Now coming to the 135, guys. This is 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. I forgot to write centimeters here. 100 centimeter, guys. Now 135. Guys, 135. Look, the number in the tens is 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. So you don't need to add 1 here in the hundreds. You will write 1 and add 20. So the answer will be 100 centimeter again. Is it clear, guys?
Very clear, sir. Yes, sir, it is clear, sir. Yes, sir, it is clear, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir,
sir,
it is clear,
100 centimeter.
That's very good. Now tell me the answer of 234, guys. 234 centimeter. Tell me your answers in the chat box, please. For C, Ammar Khalid, Jihad Muhammad, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, Jihad Al Sayyed, very good. Hamza Suleiman, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Abdul Ghaffar, very good. Kareem Muhammad, very good. Abdul Hamid, very good. Jihad Al Sayyed, very good. Noah Ahmad Shihab. I'm going to open your mic. You will tell me, guys. Yes, guys. Answer.
It's equal to 100 centimeters.
Very good. The answer is 200 centimeter. Why 200 centimeter? Because you will check the number is on the tens place. That is 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. No need to add 1 in the 2. And you know, whenever you round off to the nearest 100, the last 2 digit will always be 0. That's why it is 200. If it is 254, so 5 or greater than 5, I need to add 1 in the hundreds. So it will become 200. Okay. 319. Same with other technique also, guys. 34 is less than 50, so you don't need to add 1. 319. 319. I'm going to open your mic. Yes, guys. Answer. Round it to the nearest 100.
300 centimeters. 300 centimeters. 300 centimeters.
Very good. 300 centimeter. Why 300 centimeter? Because 1 is less than 5. So you don't need to add 1 in the hundreds. 3 will be same. And the last 2 digit will be 0. So it is 300 centimeter. So this is the answer 200 and this is the answer 300. Now I'm going to write E and F. What is E, guys? E is question number 2E, 187 and 264. 187 centimeter and F is 264 centimeter. 187 centimeter. Yes, guys. Answer me in the chat. 187. Jihad, very good. Ammar Khalid, very good. Iyad Khalid, very good. Ahmad Jibrail, good. Jihad Muhammad, good. Hamza Suleiman, good. Ahmad Kandil, good. Hamza, very good. Anas. Ahmad Shahab, no. Why 300, Ahmad? Check your answer, please. Exactly, Abdul Hamid. Abdul Ghaffar, no. You are rounding off to the nearest 100, okay? Don't need to round it to the nearest 10. You are rounding off to the nearest 100. Remember, whenever you round off to the nearest 100, the last 2 digit should be 0. The last 2 digit should be 0. Kareem Nasir, this is especially for you. the last two digit should be 0. Okay, I'm going to open your mic and you will tell me. Yes, guys, 264 is when you round off to the nearest 100 is equals to
200 centimeters.
don't need to shout, just you need to answer me. Yes, 264. Round off to the nearest 100.
200 centimeters. 200 centimeters.
Exactly, the answer is 300. Why 300? Because on the tens place the number is 6 and 6 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 in the 100 place. 2 plus 1 equals to 3 and the last two digit should be 0. That is 300. So the answer is 300 centimeter. Question number 2 we have completed. One 8700 centimeter will be 200 centimeter. Guys, complete it in your notebook fast. I'm going to start question number 5. There is again question, which amounts did you round up? Which amounts did you round up? So you can see, guys, this was 7800. We rounded up. This is 135, but it is 100, less than. We did not round up. Just wait for Adhan, guys. Just wait for Adhan, guys. Yes, guys, you can see 78 centimeter, 187 centimeter, and 264 centimeters are the amounts rounded up. Check if there is any other amount which is rounded up. Tell me. Is it correct, guys?
No, sir.
Sir, I have a question. I am Hamza Sulaiman.
No, sir. No.
I did not get your name. What is your question? What is your name?
Me, sir, me.
Yes. Hamza Sulaiman.
Very good. Hamza Suleiman. I right, I'm 187. Okay, Hamza. Guys, you write question number 5 in your notebook, please. Until I'm taking the question of, I'm taking a question of Hamza Suleiman. Yes, Hamza.
Yes, sir. I want to tell you that you have some mistakes in the writing.
Where?
In the beginning of question number 2.
What?
No, number B have to be 145, not 35.
Oh, that's not okay. No matter. The answer will be same. Okay.
And the number C is correct. And number D is correct.
Okay, that's fine. No problem, Hamza Suleiman. No problem. If even if I change the numbers, if the answer is correct, that's fine. Okay,
Okay.
that's good. All right, guys. I'm going to write question number 5 here now. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Round each amount to the nearest 100 ml. Round each amount to the nearest 100 ml. Okay, A. Now you have to round off to the nearest 100 ml. So guys, this is the same. I'm going to write what is A, 45 and 82. A and B, 45 ml, 82 ml. C, 175 ml, 175 ml. Ahmad Mohammed, okay. Yes, guys, complete it by yourself until I'm taking the question of Ahmad Mohammed. Complete it by yourself. Complete it by yourself. Nearest 100. Yes, Ahmad.
Yes, sir. In the question number 2, you say in the question 78 centimeter. You write 100 centimeter, not 1 meter.
Okay, no problem. You can write 1 meter also. Same.
Okay, I write with 1 meter.
No problem. The answer is same.
Okay.
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 If you write 100 centimeter, that's also fine. If you write 1 meter, that's also fine. Okay. Because
Okay.
I'm telling you to round off to the nearest 100. That's why I write in hundreds. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, guys. 45 ml. Can you tell me when you round off to the nearest 100, 45 ml?
Yes, sir.
Zero said zero.
Very good. The answer is 0. Why 0? Because 4 is less than 5. Okay. So we cannot add 0. We cannot add 1 on the numbers on the 100 place, and there is no number on the 100 place. So 0. Okay. So the answer will be 0. Whether you write 1 0 or 3 0, they are same. That's why we will write only 1 0. Yes, guys. 82 ml. 82 ml. Can you tell me the answer? Round off to the nearest 100. 82 ml.
100.
100.
Very good. The answer is 100. Why? Because 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. So you will add 1 and it will become 0 plus 1 equals to 1, and the last 2 digit will be 0. It will be 100 ml. Or you can also check 82 is greater than 50. So you will add 1. It will be 100. Now for C, guys. 175. 175. Yes, guys. 175. Can you tell me the answer?
200.
Very good. Ahmad Usama. Sir, only need to say tell me the answer one time, okay? 175. You know 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Just add 1 in the 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. And other 2 digits should be 0. It will be 200. milliliter. The answer is 200 milliliter. That's very good. I'm receiving the answers in the chat box also. Now D, E, and F. What is D, E, and F? 121, 193, and 64. 121, 193, and 64. Exactly. 121, 93, and 64. This is D, E, and F. Guys, can you tell me 121 nearest 100? Yes.
100 milliliter.
100. Very good. Very good. Why 100? Because 2 is less than 5. So you don't need to add 1. 193. 9 is greater than 5. So it will be 100 or 200.
200.
Very good. It will be 200 ml. This is 193 milliliter. It is 200 ml. And 64 ml. Yes, guys. 64 ml. Answer.
Sir, can we write in the
Guys, I'm not going to open your mic. You are not answering, you are playing, so I will not open your mic. Okay? This is 100 ml. You all have to answer now in the chat. And I know who is shouting. I know this guy. I will cut his marks now. I told you I can see who is speaking and who is shouting. I will cut his classwork marks now. He's disturbing the class. I am asking question and he's playing. I will see him. Yes, guys. 64 milliliter. The answer is 100 milliliter. Why? Because 6 is greater than 5. So for greater than 5, you will add 1 and it will become 100 ml. Alright, guys. Now there is one more question which you have to answer. In the book, there is a question. I'm going to tell you what is the question. These are the answers. That's why I changed the colors. Okay, in the book, there is a question. The question is, the total of rounded amount is 700 ml. I'm going to write it fast. The total, it should be in black. The total of rounded amount is 700 ml. The book is telling you the total of rounded amount is 700 ml. 700 ml. Is this more or less than the total of amount? Is this more or less than the total amount? Less than the total of the amounts? Less than the total of the amounts before they were rounded. Before they were rounded. How could you find out? How could you find out? This is the question, guys. All right. This is the question. The question is the total of the rounded amount is 700 ml. This is more or less than the total of the amount before. So let's check the total is 700 ml of rounded amount or not. 100 plus 200 3 plus 1 400, 400 plus 200 600, plus 100, 700. Exactly. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 2, 6 and 7. Exactly the total of rounded amount is 700 ml. Now what you have to check? You have to check whether the before rounded amount, the total is less or more. 45 plus 82. For that, what I will do? 45 plus 82 plus 175 plus 121 plus 193 plus 64. 45 plus 82 plus 175 plus 121 plus 193 plus 64 is equals to how much? You have to find out the sum. Very good, Ammar Khalid and Jihad Al Sayyid. Very good. Guys, can you find out the sum by yourself?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes.
That's very good. Now what you will do, you will add it. The sum will be 680 milliliter. So you will say the total of the rounded amount, is this more or less than, you will say rounded amount the total rounded amount is more than total of actual amount. The total amount rounded amount is more than total of actual amount. This is your answer, guys. You can check, you can do the sum, guys, like 45, 82, and 175, 121, and then you can add 5 plus 2 plus 5 in that way. If you have finished this, I can show you the sum also in the another screen. Did you finish it, guys?
Yes, sir. I didn't finish. No, sir, I didn't finish.
Okay. Okay. All right, guys. Even if you have some problem in this addition, you can ask me. I will show you this addition also if you ask me to. How to add these numbers. But I think you know the addition. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 2, 15 and 15 plus 5, 20, 20, 0, 2 carry, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 and 8, 14, 14 and 7, 21, 23, 23 plus 9, 23 plus 9 equals to 32, 32 plus 6, 38, 8 here, 3 carry. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. The answer is 680. All right, guys, our class time is finished now.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. I will upload this classwork in course material. If you did not finish, you can copy it down from there. I'll meet you in the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, my friends. Have a nice
Bye bye.